more or less taking an AK and giving it an NP mod, MP5 mod. So now it's going to allow the gas dissipation to flow out here, so you're keeping your primary cool. Totally reciprocating.
How does a U.S. part? Because it's a U.S. piston, eh?
Absolutely.
All right,
all U.S.
Reciprocates with...
Nope. Watch this. Feel free to shoot.
And it'll still work with like one of those railed lowers? Sweet, you guys are doing it.
Watch this.
Cool.
Right there. Right now, it's really co-witnessing the piece. Down there, you have absolutely volleyball.
Oh, it's co-witness on the original. Oh, I didn't notice that before. You still have a little sight.
Got a little sight lock there.
Yeah. Too hot for the hot.
I guess you'll turn this way to make it. Ready to go.
Very nice.
It's cool, but it's not cool, it's just warm.
Bring this down.
Worth
Should I drive without this stuff?
What was warm?
The whole bolt face.
Oh.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.